One of the outdoor farmers markets in Boston. Right near the north end. And it's bumping. Sky and Bentley are rolling together. Danny at the farmer's market. We were just talking about you because...
Oh, she called?
No, I'm giving her a video. They're like just giving food away. Just giving it away.
Live tea.
Organic, beautiful produce. And we just thought of you. You're here in spirit right now with us. Makes no sense. Organic cauliflower is like 3 for $2. I still can't get over it. Oh, here's Madre. Hi, Aunt Michelle.
Hi, Aunt Michelle. Look at us.
Look at us.
I have to move over.
Thinking of you, and we'll buy. Oh no, what should we buy in her name?
Buy string beans.
We'll get giant bags of scallions for $2. They get
6 scallions.
6 bundles of scallions
for $1.
Makes absolutely no sense.
Purple cabbage, $1.
I honestly wish I could pack it all up in a box and send it home. Or maybe I just need to figure out our farmer's market in Philly. Anyway, love you, miss you. Wish you were here. Goodbye. Getting cannolis. What kind of cannoli are you gonna get? Chocolate chocolate chips. There's Grandpa. Look at this place. So we've been in Boston, or the Boston area, for the past six days, hanging out with my parents and going on little adventures around the city and showing Skylar around. It's been such a dream. Change of scenery, obviously, has been going a long way. Feeling like maybe we're in a post-COVID world, and just appreciating also all the sunshine and the spring weather and things like that. It's been amazing. And also kind of our first proper trip since, I mean, we've been to the shore a bunch, but I haven't been on an airplane since before Sky was born. This was Sky's first airplane trip. And it just feels like a proper vacation or something, or like a real proper trip. We fly back to Philly tomorrow. Tom's gonna pick us up at the airport, so I have to check in on my flight probably within the next 5 or 10 minutes. And yeah, I'm really glad I could record this one and just sort of document what we were doing, especially with Sky. She's just so excited about seeing new things and being around people. And I really am so relieved to be able to have a meal or a drink or a coffee like in a public restaurant. That's just something that obviously wasn't as easy during COVID, and now it feels like it's becoming more and more possible. And yeah, life just feels good. So I'm glad I could record this one, even just for us to look back on, because it was such like a milestone trip. But now she's got these nice silky smooths. Okay, let me get a couple more minutes to just finish. Can I get a plastic bag to put like a little bit of laundry in it? Because it's kind of sweaty. I don't really want it in my bag, all sweaty. Packing up to go. Our plane is at like 1. And we're leaving here around in like an hour. So, plenty of time. Plenty of time, because I don't feel like rushing. Ready to go look around the airport? Here we go, right?
Mommy, watch this, Mom. Look, Mommy, how Mino.
Hey, Mino. Ready to go on the flight?
Yeah,
These are very sharp on the back, but you can pin them on.
Oh my goodness.
And you got wings.
Your very own pilot wings, Skylar?
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That was so nice of you.